What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you today. Sitting in a 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trailboss. My customers drove all the way from Tampa, Florida last night to be here at 8 o'clock this morning. They made their appointment on time. Customer's name is Michael. We're doing a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, set all the way up with the upper control arms, the ball joint caps, the driveline spacer, everything that you need for the proper 9-inch lift for this truck. We are doing 26 by 14 TIS 547B all black wheels. And we're doing 37 1450 26 Fury Country Hunter MT tires. We're gonna do some black spike lug nuts, a little bit of trimming. This truck's gonna look phenomenal. We're gonna try to get them out of here today. We're gonna see what happens. So I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. Here's our beautiful truck. Like I said, this is a 2019. This is the first year of the new body style Silverado 1500. This is the year that changed everything for what we do, lift kits, tires, and wheels. They opened the fender up a lot in this truck. They made the stronger parts underneath the suspension, a lot more robust. Everything is really nice under there. The 14 to 18 trucks, we had a lot of suspension issues, control arms breaking, ball joints falling out, stuff like that. These trucks, we don't have any issues. 2019 and up is amazing. So this is a Trailboss 1500. Go ahead and break it down for you. Ready Lift did a 4-inch lift for the standard Silverado 1500, and then they did a 2-inch lift, or 2 1/4 is what they called it, for the Trailboss. I'm not a big fan of either kit. Like the 4-inch kit, I feel like it was too much. They didn't use a cross member. It didn't drop the differential down enough. They had problems with CV axles on that 4-inch Ready Lift. This is another version of that kit that I have seen issues with. I don't know that this customer's having issues with this or not, but there's the Ready Lift control arm. There's a spacer up on top of there, on top of the strut that puts this up. There's a preload collar right there. All of that adds together to make 2 inches of lift on top of the factory 2 inches of lift. And I don't like the angle of the axle as much. It's not horrible, but I just feel like it's a little bit more than what we needed. So what we're gonna do is put a 9-inch cross member lift kit on it from McGaughys. The cross member is actually 8.5 inches from bolt to bolt. We're gonna set it at 9 inches, so we're only gonna have a 1/2 inch over factory versus 2 inch over factory lift. As far as the axles are concerned, this truck's going to look amazing. We're doing 37s and 26 by 14s on it. It looks like it has a little bit of trimming already and a mud flap delete on the truck, so we shouldn't have to do much more to make these 26 by 14s work. Stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it pulled in right now.
You okay?
So just like that, we got our 2019 Silverado 1500 Trailboss ready to go. We did the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit with the upper control arms and ball joint caps, and then we did the 26x14 TIS 547B wheels with the 37 1450 26 Fury MT tires. Love the way the truck turned out. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. Here's our beautiful truck. It's insane to me how much this truck would change from what you saw just a few moments ago to what it is now, with just a few inches of lift and a little bit bigger tire and wheel. I say a little bit, but this thing is it's a lot bigger. If you add in a couple inches here and a couple inches there, you end up with a really big truck. So the good thing about this truck is it will drive amazing. They just got back from the test drive. The truck drove really smooth. The 9-inch McGaughys lift kit offers an amazing angle on the axle. Once it's completed, this is at the 9-inch mark right here. Here's the cross member from McGaughys, beautiful black, gloss black powder coat with the stainless steel accents. The color contrast is awesome on this. They stay uniform with it all the way to the kicker braces right here. Strut tensioner bars. Up here we have added to this kit the upper control arms with the stainless steel plates on top. We added the polished ball joint cap right here. This is the strut that's supplied with the main kit right here from McGaughys. It is set at the 9-inch setting. Those rings right there are what determines the ride height. Back here in the back, there is your lift block from McGaughys, along with the shims that we use in the rear. Those come in the kit to raise the kit up to 9 inches in the back. There's the shock from McGaughys. We also have to add a drive shaft spacer. Right there you can see it when we go up to 9 inches in the rear. That is mainly to keep this drive shaft from coming out too far. Right there. Keeps it nice and in a factory location, because once you go down with the rear lift, it does pull that drive shaft a little bit. So we're extending it with that billet plate right there. Truck turned out great. I love the stance. Wheels and tires made that possible. This is our 26x14 TIS 547B. This is a cast aluminum gloss black wheel. It's a great wheel for the price. They have a couple of different wheels that look like that at a similar price point. The tires are the 37 1450 26 Fury MTs. The 14.5 is an option. The 13.5 is an option. The 13.5 inch wide tire stretches a little bit more right here, where the 1450 comes out just a little bit more and covers that wheel a little better. The only difference is we do a little bit more trimming on the trucks that get the 14.5s, because the tire is a little bigger. So we trimmed the bumper down right here, and we put this rubber sealer on the edge so there's no sharp edges. And then right here in the back, this truck already had the mud flap delete and a little bit of trimming, so we've just gone on top of that trimming and cut a little bit more. Turned out great, really. Don't look bad at all. If you have any questions about this one, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. It's getting so busy that I can barely keep up with the comments on here on YouTube, so I'm not ignoring you. I promise. Just shoot me a call. I'm at the shop every day, Monday through Friday. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm going to attach a quote for this job right after this one, so if you're curious about what this job costs, stay tuned for that. I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you.